Yes, I am extremely delighted that finally the regulation which we were following up for so long, all the industries bodies were following, that is GIDC allotment, transfer and sublimation regulation is finally notified. And for this, I thank first of all our Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who took a very keen interest and pushed it and got it through. And also I would like to thank our industry minister, Mavin Bab. See, he had come out with industries policy about 1 year back, and I have been after him that if the industry policy has to be implemented properly, then all the necessary acts and regulations need to be modified. Otherwise, it doesn't make. And he kept his foot down and followed up and got this through. One more person I would also like to congratulate and thank is the chairman of GIDC, Reginald Bab. Usually, chairmen are little reluctant for getting any transparency in the business, but he supported this regulation very well, and I am very grateful to him, and I thank him also. And finally, the main person behind all these things to put it together is a GIDC MD, IAS officer Abhishek. He left no steps unturned, to make it happen. He brought in line a legal agency for guiding. He got hold of all the regulation all around the country, and he designed this beautiful regulation. Now, why I say that this regulation was a must? Because industry had a major issue with GIDC as far as the communication or the transaction that was happening between GIDC and the industry, because everything was not clear. Basically, this regulation earlier what was prepared was were more stringent, because there were a lot of activities which were happening which we wanted to get under control. So there were a lot of regulation, rules, and for transfer and all. It was made little cumbersome so that people don't take advantage and just buy the land and sell it to anybody and make money out of it. So that time it was necessary, but now with this kind of openness from the central government also, we needed regulation which would be entirely transparent, so that people new investor who come to Goa has a clarity about what they will get, how much they will have to pay, and how the services they will get at the doorstep. So now with this as a first step, I think that the more industries from outside and the investors from outside will come to Goa, because they will see this is because this. I'll just give the silent features of some of the silent features of these regulations. Now, each regulation has been specifically mentioned, like what are the basic items. It is so clear, it is very simplified. Then each and every transaction procedure is simplified properly. One major change that I find is that earlier anybody want to transfer their land, there was a huge absorbent transfer fees, which is now removed, and which will help people who are sick units to new investors to come and get it transferred, because they don't have to bother about this huge transfer fees. There was a lot of time going on for transfer also to happen. Lease deed was not getting executed in a time, because legal we didn't know. Every time each lease deed was sent to advocate, legal vetting was done. Now in this regulation, entire procedure is mentioned. How the lease rent has to happen is specified. So in a way, it's a very good regulation. And once again, I thank our Chief Minister Pramod Sawant who has taken this step and brought out this bold regulation. There is of course a loss to GIDC, but over a period of time, this will yield good results. By the way, new industries will come to Goa, and this is a very welcome step. And I would also suggest that subsequently the act which needs a little tweaking should happen, and other departments also needs to align with this, like IPB, IT cell, all these department has to align with this kind of regulation. Thank you very much.